The domino effect is the key to reaching the world. The helicopter gets Melton's truth. His latest videos, my latest videos, to LAX. LAX gets it to the world. So does that highway up there. One person at a time, we reach the world, and we change it for the better. I'm John Melton Brady. Come see me in person. You have to. You can't reach me at 424-229-0911 or my United States Business Post Office box, 1151 San Marcos, California, 90406, or www.fishing.net16.net. That means my videos are really good. Look for them. Pass them along.